Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will delve into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.69. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has encountered a loss of 19%. This equates to an average daily loss of approximately 1.27% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend over the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $18.66 be breached, it would primarily signify a deceleration in the rate of increase, but may also serve as an early alert for a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 10.6% over this time frame, with anticipated returns ranging from 10.54% to 65.6%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 10.37%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance over the next year could fluctuate between negative 61.18% and positive 130.56%. In current terms, this suggests that the future price may fall anywhere between $7.25 and $43.05. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation. The stock price of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation fell by 4.35% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, dropping from $19.52 to $18.67. It has now decreased for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 6.67%, reaching a low of $18.59 and a high of $19.83. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days and is down by 12.72% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 17 million shares, although this was during a decline in prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 23 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $421,420,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 65.86%, or $36.01, below the 52-week high, and 76.48%, or $60.71, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation, trading under the symbol DJT, has made significant strides, recently announcing that its registration statement for a groundbreaking $2.5 billion Bitcoin treasury deal has been declared effective by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This positions the company as a key player in the cryptocurrency space, alongside the completion of a private placement offering of $1.5 billion in common stock and $1 billion in convertible senior secured notes, showcasing its ambitious growth strategy. The firm's ongoing developments, including a potential Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, could drive both short-term performance and long-term stability as investor interest in cryptocurrencies continues to escalate. Additionally, despite market volatility triggered by external factors such as tensions between Donald Trump and Elon Musk, DJT has demonstrated resilience, which may instill confidence among investors. As the cryptocurrency market evolves, the successful launch of these treasury and exchange-traded fund products could significantly elevate DJT's visibility and attract institutional investment. In the long term, as Trump Media expands its fintech initiatives, the stock may benefit from increased adoption by the growing number of crypto-focused investors. Ultimately, these developments are likely to enhance DJT's market traction and could lead to a positive impact on its stock price trajectory. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $20.24 and $23.28. A breakout above any of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 29.23%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that might pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. PIVX registered a sell signal 38 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 13 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 14 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a sell signal 88 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 83 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation identifies support from accumulated volume at $18.41. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. Given the large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed high risk. Over the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by $1.24, representing a change of 6.67%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.62%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This vital metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even established companies can go through difficult times, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $18.41. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. the combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On June 10, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On May 14, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On May 14, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On May 14, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On May 14, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 21.146. Overall, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in the last 69 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock shows several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of June, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by 360 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $19.03. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be influenced solely by the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.